In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your money in Google Sheets. Managing your finances can often feel daunting, but organizing them using a tool like Google Sheets can make the whole process a lot more intuitive and manageable. In just a few simple steps, you'll be able to keep tabs on your income and expenses right from your browser. So, let's dive in. To begin with, open a new Google Sheet. If you're not sure how to do this, simply go to your Google Drive, click on the New button, and select Google Sheets. Once your blank spreadsheet opens up, you're ready to start inputting your financial data. First, head to cell B1. This cell is going to represent your total income for the month. In this cell, type in 3,000. That's an example figure representing your monthly income. Of course, you can adjust this based on your actual income, but for this demonstration, we'll work with 3,000. Next, we need to track our expenses. Move to cell E1, and here we'll set up a formula that calculates the sum of your expenses. In E1, type in the formula IS-SUM E2 E9. This formula is designed to add up the values you'll list from E2 to E9. It's a dynamic way to track expenses. As you add more items, your total will update automatically. This flexibility makes it easy to adjust to changes in your spending throughout the month. Once the sum of your expenses is set, let's calculate your remaining balance, essentially how much you have left after accounting for expenses. In cell H1, type the formula B1 E1. This simple calculation subtracts your total expenses from your income, giving you a clear view of what's left. It's important to keep this updated, as it will give you a sign if you're overspending or if there is room in your budget to save more. Finally, after typing the formula in H1, press the Enter key. This will calculate your remaining balance based on the entries in your spreadsheet. The number that appears will give you a clear insight into your financial standing, a crucial aspect of managing personal finances. With these steps, you've set up a basic financial tracker in Google Sheets. Remember, this spreadsheet is yours to customize. Feel free to add more details, such as specific categories for your expenses, to make it even more useful. Keeping your finances organized with Google Sheets not only provides clarity, but also empowers you to make informed financial decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy budgeting.